Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my new video on how to aquascape or low-tech planted aquarium. So friends, I will also be talking about important tips and tricks while aquascaping this planted aquarium in a cheaper and budget-friendly way. We use little amount of aqua soil and we don't use CO2 and any kind of liquid and solid fertilizer. So this low-tech aquarium will be budget-friendly and does not require much maintenance. Here we go and start setting up our low-tech planted aquarium. This video is made for beginners. If this is your first planted tank or you are just thinking about getting into aquascaping, then this video is for you. I started the aquascaping journey as my hobby. Today I am going to build a low-tech planted tank, which means that it does not require any CO2 injection. It is going to be very small tank, having only plants that are suitable for low-tech aquarium, which means that they does not require CO2 injection. This is our low-tech budget tank, so we are not going to spend any amount of money on CO2 injection and external filter. Guys, please keep in mind that at the beginning we have to change the water from aquarium in every 2 days for 2 weeks. We have got the gravel, a big stone, and we have got some driftwood. I have prepared this driftwood by boiling in hot water for 2 hours and cleaning it properly and soak in water for 3 days to remove any harmful substance. We are in a budget, so we are not going to use many plants. We are using just a one branch of Enobius. It will grow and become a bigger bush. Roots are not going to be longer for this Enobius, so it is going to look great. Also, I have single piece of Java fern. This plant does not require any substrate and grow nicely, but don't forget that you will need to wait at least 3 to 4 weeks before you introduce the fish. Wood might float, so I have added this stone. You can glue or use cable tie to tie them together. Let's start our aquascaping by filling the aquarium soil. Make sure the aquarium soil is higher towards the end. You want some kind of elevation towards the end to give some perspective to your tank. This is not only an easy to maintain aquarium, this is going to be easy to make aquarium. We have got a foreground here empty. We have got the mid ground with this. I am arranging my driftwood and stone like this. You can arrange the hardscape as creative as possible by using your own creativity. Lighting is important, but in the beginning it's better not to use too strong lighting. So let's start planting. I am going to use NOBS on the driftwood. For the background, I am going to use Amazon sword, guppy grass and American waterweed. Let's plant American waterweed, and I am just going to talk it like this. For the mid ground, I am going to use Innovius, Javafon, Cryptoplant and Hornworth. Our planting is ready. Let's fill it up with water and let's see the end result. Avoid disturbing the substrate while filling the tank with water. My method is to use a plastic bag like this and pour water over it so that the water gets filled up slowly and do not destroy the escaping. This is the very important thing to do in a planted tank. So finally the tank setup is done. If you don't have enough fund for a planted tank, it is generally a good idea to start small and have very small planted tank, because you don't need a lot of hardscape and a lot of soil. We have finished the planting. I hope you guys like this. Thanks for staying here and watching this low-tech aquarium setup. If you like my channel and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do that and hit the bell button to get notified of our further uploads. That's all for today. See you in next video. Goodbye.